Hello, moin, welcome to the next episode for our ProcessWire seminar. Today we have a lot on our list. We want to do a tag cloud where we can click on each particular tag to get a list of all posts which are associated to this tag. And before we will do this, I also want to separate the header footer from our pages. And to make it a bit more nice looking, I want to add here some buttons with some small additional styling. For this, I want to use FontAwesome, which has also a free section which we can use for this. And yes, so without further ado, let's start. First, I will go to FontAwesome. So, and here I want to include this particular symbol in front of the text. Here we have the text tag 2, and I want to have it in front of it, and it shall be inside a small button. So how do we do this? We have to go to start here, then we have to download the free for web FontAwesome 6. So we will extract it, and now we are seeing here that we have a new directory here. We have here CSS, JavaScript, and so on. What will we need? We will need this directory and this. So let's go back to our PHP store. Here we have already this particular one, but we will do it now so that we will add a new directory, which will be FontAwesome, and we will copy everything into it. So now we are having our CSS and we have our web fonts. Next up, we have to include this in our header. So what I said before is that we want to separate our code, the header, from it. So let's do this. What do we have to do? We have to do following. We will add a new PHP file, which we will call header, and we will use the extension inc. This will not show up as a new template within ProcessWire. Okay, so we have now our header, and we will also do a footer. Okay, actually it's empty. Now we have to fill it with some code. So let's go back to our page, and here we will remove everything which is responsible for the head part of our website. So until where we will go, we can go until here. I will remove this, go back to header, and here we can insert this again. I saved it, and here we can now say include header. We can do the very same at our blog post. Here we have also all of this. Here we have our main container, and all of this is very similar to the other one. Maybe we have to change a bit. Let's check the result. This is working, and this is working too. Okay. You can do the same, as you can see, for this part here. This part is the very same, so we don't have to redo this on every page. Alright, so we have go first to the page, and here we can go scroll down, and we have here the footer part. Yes, until here. We can remove this. I will go to the footer. Here we can do the very same. I'll go back to this place, and here we can say include footer. And we can do the same on our blog post. I go down, remove this, and done. Good. So now we have only to take care about one particular file, header or footer, just in case what we want to change. So in this case, we want to change something in our head section. And here we want to add a new style sheet. Oh, I did something already, but this is not correct. I copied this file, and now we have to go to FontAwesome. This is not correct. Let's do it in the easier way. I will go to this place. We want to include everything. So I will copy the path reference from content root. We can remove this, insert it, and now we can remove this part. Now we have FontAwesome included. Now we can go for the text here so that it will change to the way I wanted it. So that we have a button, and the button is then also with the nice icon in front of the title of the tag. So what do? Button, the type will be a button, the class is button, success will be the color, and this looks better. Here inside we will need now our I class. Let's go to FontAwesome. I said we wanted to use this tag. So let's check for the tag. We have the tag here. Let's click on it, and it's telling us that we can do it in this way. So let's copy it. And here we can then insert our code. Does it look good? Not that much. I have to change some small things here. So this is that, and then we have to close the button here. Let's see if we have killed our oh, here's something missing. Okay, let's see if we have killed it. No, it's working. Now we are having here 4 buttons, and I want to give it some small change. Okay, this looks better now. We can also do button small. We don't need the big buttons here. Now we are having the smaller buttons. And okay, now we have done this for all of this. Now we can go for our blog post, and here I want to do the very same. In this case, we can just copy this line, go to this code, and here we are having our tag, and I will insert it here, and it should do the very same. Yes, exactly. So what next? We have separated our head and foot section from our code. We have included FontAwesome. FontAwesome is giving us now this icon in front of our text. So next up, I want to have here a list. Here under elsewhere, I want to have a list of all tags which are available. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it on the front page first. I will do it the same way as this is. So here we will just print out a list of buttons. There are several ways we can do this. I will do it with the name of the template because we have used here a specific template name, which is tag. So we can just say where the template is tag, and I want to have sorted it by the title. So we can mainly insert the very same again. And let's see how it is working. I have to go to this page. Oh yes, this is interesting. Ah yeah, of course. We have to say here not get, because get is just giving us one particular item back. We will want to have a list, and so we have to say find, pages find. And now we are getting all tags. Cool. So next job was, if I click on tag 1, tag 2, tag 3, tag 4 or tag 5, I want to get to a particular page which is showing us all posts which are associated, attached to this tag. Okay, so we need to go to this place, and if you can remember, there's already a template with the name tag, so we will add a new template with the name tag. This shall have the extension PHP so that it will be attached to the virtual template, and here we can copy nearly all of the things we are having with a blog post over to this. Later we really have to tidy up a lot of things, but right now no, what I'm telling you is not okay. We can go to the page, and there we can now copy everything over to tag, and here we can do the following. This can go, and here we can say that we want to have all pages where, let's go to one particular page, blog post, and blog post has tags. So here we can say where tags equals the tag that we are having right now on this page, and this page, the title of this page is actually the tag name. Okay, let's do this little by little so that you will get a feeling for this. Let's print out here the title of this page. So this will give us nothing right now because there's no text available with this. Now we have to go back to our page, and here we are having our here. So we need here some href, and this must refer to the page where the tag is. So we will say tag URL. Here we can close that, and then we can close here our link tag. So let's go back to that page. Oh yes. Unexpected end of life file, line 87 in our page. Okay, what's wrong? Oh yes, here. This is way too much. So now we are having here our place. So I'm back. Sorry for the short interruption. I had to drink something. So we can see here now that the headline is now our tag 1, which is the title of this page. So we can use now this title to look for what we are looking for. And let's go to our tag. And here we can now say where text is equally to so let's see if this is working. Not so much as we were thinking of. Date expects parameter p to an int. Okay, what's going on here? We are looking for yes. The children is not making any sense here. So now we are getting here our third post, which is, as we can see, also associated to tag 1. So I will go back. Let's say tag 2. Yes, it's working. Let's go to tag 3. Yes, working. Tag 4. Yes, it's working. Tag 5. Yes. So as you can see, it's working now. So this way we can continue now and do all the links for all the tags so that we can go from everywhere from the tag cloud or from the big tag cloud or also from the small tag clouds to the page where we can see all the tags which are associated to the particular tag name. Okay, so what will we do for the next time? I think this will be a nice surprise. I have no real idea, but it will be something which will bring you forward with ProcessWire. Okay, so have a nice day and see you soon. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to get informed about any future videos. And if you have any questions, just post them below in the comments. Bye bye. Tschüss, tschüss.